Welcome to video 7 in B06 using Python packages and introduction, and we're going to look at BioPython here. So for BioPython, there's more information at this website containing a huge variety of modules, functions, and ways of approaching things. Note that some of the code there is out of date, so it may not work. Just bear that in mind, but it'll certainly give you a suggestion of how to go about things potentially. The easiest way to install it is go to the main menu, go to settings, go to your project here, Python project, the Python interpreter, and then add a package like we had before. So you want to install BioPython there. That's the simplest way in PyCharm. So what you'll see then is this big search panel where you can search for BioPython here. You select it there, hit install packages, and then it will eventually pop up that you have successfully installed BioPython. So that's what you want to see at the end. If you're using maybe writing a script or maybe using the cluster, you can use import bio. Import bio loads BioPython. Note the version number as well, just if you're using it extensively. You can check that version number by writing this code, print bio underscore version underscore. And what we can do from bio is there's a set of packages, and we can use ones like Entree and seek.io. Entree will let us access sequences from the NCBI's Entree database, and seek.io has manipulations to read files in and out. So you might find that using the Python interpreter on the cluster works better for this. So you just go onto the server and type in Python 3, and you'll see these greater than symbols, three of them together as your prompt, and you can write code here where the gray box is. So what we can do, for example, is download the SARS-CoV-2 GenBank file from the NCBI website using code instead of manual point and click. So we set up some variable IDs to be equal to the accession number. And you can change this for your accession number if you want. You need to give Entree your email, and this is particular code, entree.email, and put in your name, your email address. It's just for the NCBI website's procedures to avoid getting too many requests from the same person. And then we have Entree eFetch, so that will go to the Entree database, ask for the nucleotide version of these IDs. So it could be more than one ID here. We just have one in our list, but we could have many. Return type is GenBank in this case, but it could be FASTA. And we're looking for text back. And that's stored in this file handle. So look at index, the demonstration videos is how to explore this data in the file handle more effectively and how to do different things with BioPython that gives us kind of a range of tools that we already exist for us to use. That kind of concludes that video on BioPython.